And the question was, well, we have not a lot of wells drilling, but we have a lot of wells waiting production. How can we apply our technology to the completion side, or waiting for completions? So one of our company that we were working with at the time, at Rapid Design there was a question, can you hear what's happening downhole with your technology? So we took our fancy developed active noise reduction or adaptive noise reduction technology from the rig floor, and we clipped that onto coil, and we clipped that onto completions jobs to hear a ball drop, call it drop, etc. And we
listening for darts.
nailed it.
Yeah.
The first one
find their
was
tone.
just beautiful.
Yeah. And you get, so that's part of your offering now that you guys are doing. It's like acoustics based.
That's right.
You essentially have got like these things on people's ears,
Yeah.
listening,
That's exactly right.
listening for a whistle.
That's more
to go
that's like a smaller product line, but the main part is kind of what you're saying, that central repository, bringing all the data in on site, digitizing the wellhead, automating the time log and the stage reporting, and just making, like you were kind of talking about earlier, about like making data and all these things just work faster, more consistently, more efficiently, and arm the engineers with the tools and the data they need so they can do other things with
and
them
more
and learn
seamless
more.
integration with the people you want to integrate with.
Absolutely.
That's right.
So I've heard, so we've mentioned some of my buddies at some of the founders of these technology companies that are Calgary based largely, and I keep hearing stories that they're, maybe API is not the expression, but like they're connecting to the data that you're providing to them. And I've heard of Prepad recently, I think with Birchcliff. I've heard of Shearfrac Group with operators that shall remain nameless, because it's always top
hush-hush.
secret with
That's
these
right.
guys. Mark McTarley, I believe, is somehow, with RevSolves is maybe connected with your data. I'm not sure, but so you guys are working with a lot of the vendors that are interested in the data that you guys are collecting and synchronizing and organizing, and I'm hearing that those integrations are seamless and remarkably smooth. I wish that's not my bag, that's not my game as an engineer, but I don't know, maybe I'm on the downstream side of where that data is going as well. So right now you guys are all completions, right, is how I think of you guys.
Yeah.
Either listening for darts or finding stages and isolating those, or just giving people completion data.